There is a story, a personal experience that led Assisting Hands home care franchise owners down the caregiving path.
13, 14 years ago, my father got ill, and we actually experienced the whole gamut of home care and therapy and a little bit of assisted living. This was up in Northwest Indiana, and we kind of saw the good, the bad, and the ugly of it. Anything in healthcare is such a people business that, some of the people that were providing therapy, maybe they weren't punctual, maybe they didn't relate to him so much as a person. Other people were great. They were absolutely fantastic. Just so we saw the full gamut of people who were dedicated to their profession and some who weren't. And we found that the ones that really had their heart in the business could really do the best job. It's a message that we kept in mind when we were opening up in terms of who we hire. We look for those type of people that just really have that in their DNA to be caregivers. My father spent some time at home. He spent a little time in assisted living and realized that that was not a comfortable place for him. He was separated from his wife when he was there because she stayed at home. He didn't feel that the care was adequate, and so he actually did come home. They did have some in-home care. It's so important that for seniors, one of the last really wishes that we can grant for them is where they can spend the last weeks, months, days of their life. And if they can spend it at home, it just increases the quality of that part of their life and other family members. We saw that the good care meant a lot, not just for my dad, but really for the whole family. This is something that you can't fake, and I can tell you that one of the secrets of our office success is that when I can go out to meet folks and do an intake, they feel that it's that the owner has taken his own time to come out to explain the business, to look them eye to eye, and tell them what to expect, to tell them that we're not perfect, but if there are issues, we try to resolve them early, and that we try to have an open and honest business, and it's worked out well for us.
To learn more, visit assistinghandsfranchise.com.